Hey guys, what's up? MC Out there here back with episode 2.
And we found loads of diamonds.
Yeah, we found lots of diamonds if you watched episode 1.
Okay, Carter, do you need a helmet?
If you can make me one, please. Oh, I
Yeah.
found more gold in this another cave.
I'm gonna make you.
Make what? A gold helmet? A gold helmet? You're making a gold helmet? That's wonderful.
No, I'm using my iron pickaxe.
When is it she accidentally made a gold helmet?
Well, she's
Or a gold chest plate?
that would not be fun.
I'd wear it. Oh, no, no, no. I am on white tin. Oh, my pickaxe broke. No! I sort of have 4 iron that's already cooked. If anyone needs it. Ooh, la, la, la.
Oh my god, that zombie just scared me.
Lol.
He just dropped out of nowhere right in front of me. Oh, that was scary.
MC, do you have any food?
Yeah, no, actually. I only have a piece of meat and a raw pork chop.
I have some food on me, just some of it's not cooked.
I have, like, no food on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna need food.
I've been eating mushroom stew the whole time.
I haven't really been eating,
Yeah, that's not a good thing.
but I'm only down 1 hunger.
I'm down like
Is it less than 5?
no, I only have 3 more.
I heard a skeleton.
Wait, so can you run still?
I don't know. I'm going downstairs.
How much hunger bars are it?
3.
Oh, then you
What?
can't run. Here,
Oh, that's a lot of bad stuff in a pool.
come down to me. Come down to me.
Yeah, 'cause I only have 3 more to go.
Oh, how did you shoot me? My god. Good thing I didn't take any damage. Oh, that's... I hate stuff.
Oh, Alexis. Oh, are you coming back down to me?
Hello, Mr.
Yeah.
Cooper.
Alexis, do you have any food at all?
No.
Hey, look, there's the other cave I was in.
Wait, how do you make a bowl?
I found more diamonds! And a skeleton! You know what? I'm gonna use wood. Crap. Oh my god, I hate skeletons. I need my apple right now. Because apparently skeletons do like aimbot stuff and can shoot you 60 times a second.
Okay, do you know where we are?
No, well, you need to come to me because I'm in the middle of a cave.
Okay.
I'm pretty much still in the same area because I can see torches.
Stretching.
Is it a 1 diamond thing? Oh.
Run around it.
Oh, but there's gold behind it. And I think it's not an 8 patch, it's a 6 patch.
That's still good.
I have 24 gold on me.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say diamonds. I'm like,
Yeah, I was gonna say that too. I'm like, wait, nope, that's not
how much diamonds do you have?
13. There is loads of lava everywhere. Are you sure you don't want to go to the nether?
Depends what we have.
Did you just hear what I have?
Well, I don't want to like take even more damage.
Well, if we're good enough, we won't have to take damage. All we need is,
The question is, are we good enough?
pretty sure we are. I mean, I just found the king's load of gold. So even if we do take damage, we have backup. But the thing is, someone needs to go to the surface and get apples. Oh my god, that water almost made me run water.
Okay, I don't even know if I'm going the right way.
I'll go back to the area I was.
Do you see my name?
I'm going back to my area.
Oh, I see you. Oh, I see your name.
Oh, are you above me? Oh yeah, so you don't dig down like staircase.
There's a witch.
Oh, run away from that.
Yeah, I'm running.
When you go back to that spot in staircase. Ew, no, I am honest. No.
I'm just exploring a cave right now.
Aren't we all?
I know. Well, Alexis says it.
Oh, I just thought we needed lapis because I found some. But we don't. And I just found a whole bunch more caves. I'm not gonna go in there until I get my golden apple because I'm gonna probably take a lot of damage. And I want to have those absorb.
Okay, I'm just taking off this lava.
I'll staircase up to you. Just stay right there.
Okay, I'm just getting away from the witch.
Oh, well, I'm staircasing like right here. If you can see my name.
Yeah.
Dig.
My food.
Have you not been lighting up the caves?
No.
No?
Okay, here. Yeah, because there's a lot of mobs and I have to run.
Just throw it down. Thank you.
Wait, do you have any red mushroom?
No, I ran out. But I have one.
Okay,
and you could cook this up too.
Okay.
Do you have any food at all? Because I need food.
I have 2 uncooked beef and 1 uncooked chicken.
Oh, diamonds, diamonds!
Nice.
I was just mining like, oh my god. And then, yeah, that popped up. Oh, it's at least 2. Oop, it's 4. It might be 4. Alright, I got 4 diamonds. 4 diamonds.
You know, I just did the most dangerous thing, but I don't care.
What'd you do?
I water dropped right into a cave, but I have my absorption heart, so it doesn't really matter. Well, this is a long hallway of death. Hey, I found a spawner.
What kind?
Zombie.
Well, maybe there's a golden apple in it, because sometimes it happens.
Yeah, I know that.
What happened?
There's a. Oh my god. No, please, no.
You sounded like a robot, and you're like, that's a...
Oh, looting 3, I'm breaking 3. Oh wait, that's not as good as I thought it was.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
What happened? More gold.
The witch.
Damn, I
Just
thought
came out of nowhere.
that sounded so much better, but now that I think about it, that's completely really useless.
But
It's that I'm breaking 3, looting 3 more. It's kind of witch.
instead of just mining, there's like nothing.
At first I was thinking fortune, and then like, that'd be good. Yep. I like placing those.
That's 10 minutes.
keep running into other parts of caves I was already in. Oh, this is like the first cave I was in.
Oh, gold, but I don't have an iron pick.
Run! No way. I'm gonna let it talk you. Be like my girl.
Okay, I like lost.
Yeah, look at that gold all the way in the corner.
Oh, I forgot to give you your helmet.
I could make my own. I got iron from that spawner. And plus, I'm gonna have to like.
I already made it.
I'm gonna have.
I got 6 gold.
More gold. It might be an 8 patch, not sure. Nope, it's only 3. Oh, 4. Oh, 5. Oh, 6.
I have 34 gold on me. 8, 16, 24, 32. So I have enough for 2 people's double.
Alexis. Maybe me and
Yeah.
you should go up and get apples while Miss Potter stays down, or...
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Because
Okay.
right now I'm in a pretty good cave.
I'm going to do the bad thing and just mine up.
Not straight up.
You should, but if you're gonna do that, put torches like down every time you go up.
Okay, I have a lot of coal.
So if you hit gravel, you
Well, how are you gonna...
Because I have no idea where you are.
Yeah, but then how am I gonna find you up there?
I'll probably go at the same one. But I think I'm heading. Oh, baby zombie. Please don't hit me. Okay, I killed it. Oh, there's a skeleton. No, I can't get up there. Creeper, and I can't sprint. Wow.
And that's what happens when you don't light up caves.
I just got into this cave.
It's because we've been down here for so long that all the caves that were... Oh, there's that mine shaft I was in. I'm not going in there because I am doing much better not being.
I can make an anvil if you guys want me to. Should I make an anvil?
Sure. I feel bad for that guy. His team.
I know, right?
Don't
I
let
just
him.
too bad. He deserves it. I don't know what he did, but when I find out,
I have 39 gold now.
there's a place downtown where I can stay right now.
This is where this zombie popped up.
Wait, how much time left?
It was like 40
47.
minutes last time, so it's probably like. Oh,
Yep.
Oh, I hear a big slime.
Okay, MC, are you mining up? Or
What?
staircasing up? Are you staircasing up?
No, oh yeah, you want me to... I can just easily get back up without staircasing, because I never left this strip mine.
The problem is we need feathers. Oh, I found more diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 17.
And I have 4 on me.
So that's 21. Thinking what kind of good stuff.
A diamond.
You're gonna...
Maybe we can make all chest plates or something?
8, 6. We need 24 for that. And we only have 21. Unless
Okay,
that's not...
I'm thinking we should like meet up, but then you keep finding diamonds, so...
Well, I ran out of sprint, so...
Are you running?
I haven't been running. The thing, I just keep mining.
And I think my cave just ended.
Okay, I'm like almost at the surface. MC, are you there?
Almost. I said I can't sprint.
Okay, tell me. I'm gonna see if it's okay. It's daytime, but I don't want to run into someone.
I'm not gonna run into anyone. Trust me.
Yeah,
No one's at 20 except Thunder. Right?
I really want to go to the Nether right now because you could get really good stuff there.
Tell me when you're at the surface.
Okay.
Yeah, I think my cave is done with. I'm pretty sure I went everywhere. Some weird things came up on my screen.
Guys, I'm only at one
Yeah,
hunger.
oh,
Should I eat the apple I have? Because I'm really low. I'm at one hunger. I don't even
The
have a
golden
gold. I
apple?
just have a regular apple.
I guess so. Why didn't you tell
I
us
did.
you
I
were
said it was
that
at
low?
3. And you guys, it was like,
Well, you
Hey,
should.
if I find you, I can give you. Well, I'm at the surface and I'm trying to look for the cave we were at.
I'm going up too now because I'm gonna get food for us. Don't you have kit food
I know,
or something?
slash skip food. I'll see if I can do it again. 832 seconds until it expires. I'm just trying to cook 8 gold fast. I'm just not moving. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, Becky, look at that bottle there. What?
Is that you? Yeah, that's you. I saw a name and it looked purple, but it was you guys.
I'm not up there.
Wait, whose name did you see?
Alright guys, I'm making a gold apple, then I have to eat it.
Okay, is anyone near the surface?
I'm coming up to the surface. Oh, what the heck just happened? Wow, pillaring up wastes your hunger so much. Better not be a skeleton up here. Okay, good.
Oh, I see you. Like
In the cave?
Oh, I saw your name.
Yeah, can you see my name still?
Where are you? Alexis, I'm at like where we were, like basically where the cave was at the beginning.
Okay, I'm gonna just put this thing. Hold on.
Cows.
Just stay where you are, MC, and try to like just turn. Look for me. Don't like walk anywhere.
I found cows.
Well, I'm at like where we spawned basically, but over near there.
I saw another cow. Hello.
Okay, tell me if you like see me.
Oh, that was a bad shot.
Alexis, that's me. That's me. To look straight.
Where?
Oh.
Oh my god! Yay!
Do you have any food at all?
Okay. I
Cook
can
it
cook
now.
'em.
Not that. That's redstone.
Yeah.
You always give me redstone. Stop it. Okay, we're gonna. You need some of
I have
that.
2 more stacks. I would. Oh, steak. Oh, good. Oh, God, there's a skelly over there. Look over there.
What?
You
Okay,
have to
we
go
have to
under
watch
like
out.
him.
Wait, let's just dig down a little bit so we can just make a little house while Potter comes up.
I'm climbing a mountain right now because I saw cows.
Okay, there's
Oh,
one.
and there's more cows on the mountain. I killed the flower.
Did you say you killed a flower?
Yes.
Alexis scared me when she came. What the hell was that water?
Oh, I have so
Yeah.
many cows and animals here.
Are you gonna get
I got the
food?
food. Oh my god.
Okay, get
Yes,
the
I got
furnace.
everything.
Get the furnace.
I
Okay.
gotta hurry up because it's turning night. I just killed another flower.
Wait, we need apples, but we're gonna have
Just
to
wait here. Alright, this is good. I'm going to get another drink. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm thirsty. I don't care. I'll be right back.
Cows for days.
Okay, I'm gonna set up a furnace.
This is like the great food crisis.
Do you see our name?
No, I'm above ground killing cows right now. So you're near where we spawned, right?
Yeah.
Did he go for another drink?
Yeah.
Oh, can't you just keep the drink next to him? Okay, I want to kill all these cows, but I don't have time to.
How
Get
much
off me.
food do you have?
18. There is like no mobs anywhere.
I'm back, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go remotely where I think you guys are. Ooh, that's a spider.
We're near spawn, right? Ashley?
Yeah. We're near back where the cave started.
Oh, that could. Oh,
Okay. Did you make an enchantment table? MC?
No, MC, I think you could just.
Oh my
do
god! How much time left? Fudge.
37.
Alright, now we're gonna have to mine the obsidian. My god. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Now I have to go.
I know, but we
you
already
had the
used it.
Are you serious? How long do it till it comes back?
Oh, I see you.
71 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
There's water underneath here.
Yeah, we need lava. Well, anyways, I'm gonna cook this and go back underground.
We would have went back underground anyway.
Well, I thought we were just gonna get ready to go fight people because we're not gonna really do anything else after we've got all our gear.
Yeah.
Let's see.
No, I'm just gonna do this. Oh, and here's
Oh, yeah.
a lot of beef. And here's this.
I
so
hear
we
throw it to
can
me
make-
because I have sugar. If you get lava, wait, is this a cave over here?
Wait, I found it. Oh, you already wrote it down. Never mind.
Oh, I don't feel like. Ah, it's gonna take forever. Guys, do not go in the hole I'm digging. You
I just
will
block it
fall
off
and
so
die.
we don't.
Wait.
Yeah, just plug it out.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, the world just glitched and I saw lava.
Do you have a bucket?
Yeah, I have a bucket of water.
Cause there's water over here. You can just do it over here.
It's up here.
No, I mean down where I am.
Oh, got my helmet.
Okay.
You picked up my helmet.
Okay, now I need to find lava. I've got a strip mine for some lava.
Wait, guys, I figured out a smart idea. Well, you know the cave we started out in? Can't we just go back down there, find my
It's gonna take forever, and I
Okay.
already found a cave. If you guys want to come down here,
How do I
with me,
get down
there's
there?
gold. There's a lot of gold and stuff. Just dig a hole next to mine.
Okay, water.
Oh, wait. MC. Make a water
Oh
bucket
yeah,
and then
that's
just
smart. That's
dig
smart.
right here.
That was smart. Good job.
They just go there faster.
I'll make the water.
Actually, no wait. Don't make them. Don't make them.
Oops, too late.
Do this. Alright.
That's a lava, but not a lava pool.
Steven, I'm coming. Miss Potter, I'm coming down.
Okay, we have a lot of gold.
Well, there's even more gold down here. I'm just lighting it up, trying to find lava. That's not like what I've been finding. Oh, I think that's a lava pool. Nope, it's not. What F3 am I at? I'm at like the point where lava pools should be spawning. Or whatever.
So how many diamonds do you have?
I have 4.
Guys, each.
17. So we got total.
Which we have to use 3 of them on a pick.
And
And
I'm on an enchantment table.
okay, I'm done.
Yeah. Does this place seriously have not a lot of... Does this place seriously not have a lot of...
The one cave.
Wait,
did you bring
dude.
a bunch of beef down?
There's obsidian right here. Legit, I just come in, I see obsidian. What do you mean from what? From your cave.
From...
Yes.
Are you in my cave right now? Wait, let me get this gold. So...
Wait, that's
What?
not good then.
No,
must
it's
be someone here.
it's his cave. Legit, I went down.
Where is it?
Okay, it's in the beginning. See me?
Okay, there.
Do you want me to just make the pick,
Big
or do you already have? I'll make the pick.
Yeah, make the pick. Could you pass me?
Yeah. How much do you need?
Like, whatever amount you want.
Okay, I think
Miss
we
Potter,
can
come back.
make
Come
6
back,
apples.
Oh, here, Miss Potter.
Because I have 52.
I have 14 on me.
Because I only,
Okay.
Can
yeah.
you give me more?
Because I only
more
had
than
2.
one?
Because I didn't. But that's fine for now.
Wait, tell me when you guys
wait,
Place a water
before you
bucket.
do this, wait, move out of the way. Well, go in that little thing and then put the water bucket in and stand in the water.
We need 4
And
pieces.
then mine from there.
Oh, is that episode 2?
Yes, I know that.
Thank you all for
Yes,
watching.
it is. Thank you for
Oh, there's lava.